Unfamiliar elements impacting your business. Fear of the invisible, the unknown. What you need is a partner who can secure your indoor environments from virus, bacteria, mold, pollution. One name that holds the key to innovative and effective solutions. EPSCO. Leaders in indoor environment protection and restoration. From hospital operation theaters to airports. Pharma production floors to computer server rooms. Schools to hotel kitchens, and from power plant control rooms to factories. From shops to residences.
EPSCO India was started with a mission that we should provide solutions for the indoor and outdoor environments. Our first concentration has been air, which is one of the most important things that a human being needs for survival. And the quality of indoor air over the years has been going from bad to worse. And we've been just in closed environments putting in more and more people. And the effects on them have been pretty heavy. Our intentions are to even go to water, to soil, and that's how we started. With that motive in mind, that mission in mind, we started building our company.
As the experts in the indoor environment protection and restoration business, we deliver full service capability. Contaminated land and soil remediation, HVAC duct cleaning, indoor air quality audits, kitchen extraction systems, asbestos survey, management and abatement, fire and flood restoration, dry ice blasting. With deep expertise and specialized intelligence, EPSCO is an integrated ISO 9001, 14001 and 45001 accredited company. With an intrinsic DNA of safety, integrity, efficiency and best practices. Ensuring safe, healthy and hygienic indoor environments for over 2 decades, offering world-class services meeting certified global standards. We at EPSCO have the largest team of IAC experts and Nadca certified professionals in India.
We have adapted the best standards in the world. We got ourselves, our people, our teams trained to those standards and successfully operating right across the country today.
We strive to provide our highest value and reliability to our customers across applications. Blending knowledge, technology, and commitment, you back into business in no time, deploying a new era of environment protection technology and definitely providing certainty in an uncertain world.
The entire range of activities which we are doing is all related to protect us and also assure that what we leave behind for our children and future.
EPSCO, purify, restore, protect.